So basically, if you notice here, we got a tab for Facebook, and also we got tools, we got Mindizor, we got window, we got grow settings, we got Soomla. Right now, the current version is not fully supporting Facebook, but later on the next weeks, we're just gonna add support for Facebook. I'm just gonna make an announcement in this course. Um, yeah, this is pretty much a thing to notice. Right now, we're supporting only in-app purchase, so we're just gonna show you how to implement in-app purchase, and later on, we might add a section for social integration with Facebook, with Twitter, with Google Plus in the next couple of weeks. Right now, let's go to the first thing that we need to care about here is uh, uh, is by talking about the main settings of the Soomla and Mindizor project. So if you go to tool here, we got something called player preferences. Make sure to delete all the player preferences. And also we got something called window. Here we have something called settings. So we have to go to edit settings in order to configure this project to work with Google Play Store. So first thing, we have something called Soomla secret. So you can type any secret key that you have. So let me just type something like something complicated. You need to type this actually. We have here something called debug native and debug unity. You can turn this on and turn this off. We're just going to show you what is the importance of this when we're talking about the debugging section and testing of the game. Here we have social platform, and this right now we just want to keep it unchecked, as you can see. Here we have Android settings. So here we need to provide API key. So in order to get your own API key, you have to go to you go to developer account. Here we have something called API keys, but right now we don't have any applications. So we're just gonna create a new application right now. So in order to create our new application, I'm just gonna go to Android icon here, add a new application, and here you need to type the application name. So I'm just gonna type the application name, which is Mindizor in-app purchase demo. Okay, this is the project name, Mindizor in-app purchase demo, and I'm just gonna click prepare store listing. So once you create the store listing here, you can go to something called in-app service and APIs. So let me just go there to service and APIs. And after that, you're just gonna get your license key. So you're just gonna get a key from here. So you need to select this key, the entire key. I don't want to scroll down because I don't want to show you the entire API key. But you have to copy the entire key from here, okay, and go to Unity here and paste your code API key here. So this is something very, very critical in order to work with the project. We have here test purchases. You can leave it off right now because we're just going to show you later on what is the importance of this when we deploy the API, the application to the Play Store. But right now you can keep this like we did here. So you need to paste the API key here, and that's it. We have settings here for iOS, and we have settings here for WP8. We're not gonna cover this right now. Maybe we're just gonna cover it later on. But right now, let's get started with the Play Store. All right. So yeah, that's awesome. So here you need to type the API key here, and we're ready to go to the next step. After that, let's just go and do a quick test here about the application. I'm just gonna go to the scenes folder, and here open the main scene here. Alright, this is the main scene. I'm just gonna select all the scenes from here and select them all and go to the build settings and just drag them here. So make sure that you put the splash scene as the first one here. Next, we just got the main scene, and next you can put game and in the store as you can see here. After that, I'm just gonna go to the Android and go to the player settings, and here you need to type the product name, which is Mindizor IAP. I'm just gonna name it Mindizor IAP, something like this. And here just gonna type the company name. You can type your own company, and here you need to browse for the default icon. I'm just gonna choose this icon here. Alright, so this is the resolution. The resolution is portrait, the resolution landscape, because we're talking about widescreen here. This is the main icon. This is the splash screen. This is the other settings here. So yeah, we're just gonna get started with version with the application name. So here we created an application and named it as Mindizor. So where's that? Mindizor in-app purchase demo. All right, so I have to get this demo name, so or get this application ABK. So right now we don't have any ABK uploaded here, so the ABK name is just gonna be similar to this one here. So I'm just gonna come here to add my package identifier. So I can go here, com.ahmad nasser dot Mindizor in-app purchase demo. Okay, something like that, but make sure that you make it small letter. In-app purchase, in-app, or we can make it something in-app purchase demo. All right, and the version, we're just gonna start with version 0.1 because we're talking about beta version. So just gonna get started with version 0.1, and the bundle version is version 1 here. All right, and that's it. We can go to the publishing settings here. We need to provide a key store. You need to know how to create a new key store. You can go create new from here and just type the key store password, confirm the password, and after that you need to browse and save this key store, and after that you can come back here and browse for it and choose your existence key store. I'm just gonna go to my key stores here and just gonna import. I created the one using Android Studio. You can go to my course, Android Multilingual Applications Development course, and you know how to, in order to know how to generate this store using Android Studio. But you can use Unity here in order to generate this key store easily with the inspector here. So yeah, I need to select the key store from here, and you need to paste the key store password. So let me just type the password and choose the alias and the password here. All right, so here I type the key store password, and I can come here and type the alias and the alias password, as you can see here. So this is used in order to export the application into a signed APK in order to be able to upload it into the Play Store. So this is very important. So after you do this, you can go build, and you can export this into APK. So I have a convention in naming, so I can type here Mindizor, and after that I can put dash, and this is version 1, and this is version 0.1. I use this convention for my APK naming, so I'm just gonna export this demo and export it into an APK file. Alright, so make sure that you don't have any errors inside the console, and you can go back here to the Unity project, and I just got my project here. All right, you need to wait a little bit until the build is completed. All right, awesome. So right now we got the Mindizor APK here. As you can see, we can upload it to the Play Store. So in order to upload it to the Play Store, you have to go to the demo that we created here inside the Google Play, and you can go to the APK section. We go alpha testing, and after that we need to upload this into alpha testing. So I can click here, browse files, and go to the project that we have. So I'm just gonna go to let me just go to, where's that file? Okay, projects, the Unity projects. Okay, Unity projects. Okay, here, and we just go to this file, version 1.0.1. I'm just gonna select this and upload it to alpha. So make sure that this is alpha. If it's the reduction, just cancel it right now. What do we mean by alpha? Alpha is the place that we want to publish applications, but only the testers of the app are gonna see it. So if you want to publish an app for only the testers, it's not gonna be live. It's just gonna be live only for only the testers who got testers account, like the one that we added before. So we're just gonna show you in the next video what to do after publishing the app to the alpha. But let me just finish with the upload process here. All right, awesome. So right now you can see we got alpha testing version 1, and you can see here we got the configuration. You can see the version number is 1, and the version is 0.1, and the bundle is 1, as you can see here, and it's uploaded February 9th, 2016. So in the next video, just gonna show you how to configure this alpha testing for real testing. So see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.